Yeah.
Welcome to Manufacturing Monday, everybody, with Colin and Helen.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Sounds like you're not alone.
No, I'm sorry. Despite asking him to be quiet, literally moments ago, that's not happening.
Carry on.
Never mind. Never mind. It's a true representation of actual life at the moment. So, without further ado, do you want to give us a quick overview of what we've been up to this week?
Yeah, we've had quite a lot of more interviews, so we've got some more Mind Fuel content going out next week. We had a really good interview with somebody who'd just taken on a brand new job as a turnaround company, only to find the day he arrived, he was all in lockdown, didn't have a laptop, didn't have a phone. So that's an interesting story. We talked to a couple of CEOs from around the Asia area, or Asia Pacific, and they'll be going out soon. And I don't know, SAP are competing with us. I think there's they've got this thing going on. The only thing I'd like to say to everybody out there, this is about real people telling real stories, non-edited content, some really good insights, some really good humour, and there are no green screens or white plimsolls anywhere. But at the end of this, I have something really, really exciting. So I know we're going to talk about smart manufacturing, and I've come up with something that I think is going to change the world of education.
Okay.
We'll leave that
laughing nervously.
Very end. Don't worry. Anyway, over to you. What are we doing this week? What's coming up?
This week, this is the penultimate week of Mind Fuel, and we have our first live session. So I'm really, really excited about that, and I really hope that as many people attend as possible, or at least register so that you can watch the session afterwards. So this session is titled Smart Manufacturing. What can today's technology do for tomorrow's factories? So we're running this. It's being hosted by a lovely chap called Rom, who's the CEO of Digital Bulletin, who are a tech publication. And our panelists for this particular session are IFS. Obviously, we've got Baz, who's the head of our IFS Labs team, who's going to come and talk about what he's seen our customers do with bits of software, with technology. We've got Siemens Digital Industry Software, which obviously is where I used to work. So that's my personal connection to that business. So I know and hopefully still know a lot about what they do. And I know they will have some really, really exciting stuff to say. And then last but by no means least, we have Microsoft, who are one of our partners, joining us as well to talk about what they're doing. So I would like to say those are three big technology brands that I'm sure are going to come and share some really interesting insights in terms of what they've seen their customers do and their thoughts on what, how technology now can shape the factory of tomorrow. So that is happening on Wednesday, 1st of July. It is happening at 3 p.m. UK time. So please, if you are around then, I do appreciate if this is the early hours of the morning, you might have something you'd be preferring to do, then come and join us. But if it is a sensible time of day, please do register. I will include a link to that particular session in this post. So go and check it out. Please do register for it, and I really hope you can join us and it goes off without any kind of technical issues.
It'll be fine. No white shoes anywhere.
No white shoes anywhere. No, absolutely. And Colin and I have successfully managed to avoid having to be on camera for this at all. So we're very smug.
Dodged a bullet.
Yeah.
The quiz.
The quiz. Yeah. So the quiz of the week. This quiz, hopefully a relatively easy question. But why did Henry Ford paint? We're not going to say all, but we were going to say the majority of his Model Ts black. Just because somebody inevitably will say he didn't paint them all black, and he didn't, but he did paint the vast majority of them black. So why did he do that?
I know the answer to that.
I know. You can't participate.
Anyway, do you want to see?
I do. You've been building up to this all week. Come on.
I've been spending a lot of time in my garage, and I hope you like it.
Drum roll.
You're not really lost for words, are you? This is a Mind Fuel hat. So the fuel comes up here and it goes into the ion flux separator here. The exhaust goes out the top. And you think it couldn't get worse. It can. and it's now stimulating my cerebral cortex.
Oh, that.
Do you think it'll catch on?
It's certainly a look.
Or shall we just say goodbye?
Bye.
Bye, everybody.